The businesses and partners of the Blue Ridge Green Heart Club believe in providing greener homes for the people of Charlottesville. We're teaming up to improve our community and promote quality home ownership. Here's a little bit more about one of our partner members.
Dickerson Homes and Development is focused in the city, about a 3-mile radius around the downtown mall. They strive to put out a great product that's very energy efficient and affordable to the market for new construction and fill that niche within the city. Dickerson Homes and Development is a member of the Blue Ridge Green Heart Club, and we love being able to give back to local charities in our community. We love working with the group at Blue Ridge Termite and Pest. They've been great as far as providing knowledge for our green environment that we try to create in our homes and in our neighborhood. For our moisture and pest issues, it's one-stop shopping for us all the time. Our only call is to Blue Ridge Termite and Pest Management Group.
To learn more about how we're building a better community, please visit BlueRidgeGreenHeartClub.org.